So this will be my review on the Diamond Smart LED Bluetooth speaker. So it comes with a USB charge, this Bluetooth speaker, and this is the box, how it looks. Alright, so it has its user manual. It has 30 days money back guaranteed for any reason and 12-month limited product warranty for quality related issues. And then it has a happy not happy card, so I'll leave it right here. so this is the power on button. Well, let me dim the light to show you how the light looks. And then you get your phone or whatever you're using and connect the speaker. The name of it is Evelis. Yeah.
Connected.
So you'll hear that sound saying connected. And then this, you press down on this to turn it down, and you press down on this to turn it up. You give it one press to skip, one press to skip. This is to turn off the light. Turn off the light. And this is for calls and so on. It has a memory part, an aux, and the USB. So let me try to play something. This is at max. Yes, so that is the Diamond Smart LED Bluetooth speaker. It's very loud, and you can turn it up or down to the volume that you want. You have your USB, and today I can say, yeah, I give it a happy face.